how you can pass a prop firm challenge with only one entry model. In this video, I will show you how I can pass easily a challenge, or you can pass easily a challenge. You need no skills, no bias, only one time frame, only 5 minute time frame, and it's a really, really easy beginner setup. I take this many times if I see it. You only need two indicators, but it's enough if you take only one indicator. But for if you're a beginner, you can take two indicators, and that second indicator is that fractal indicator for nephew Sam with the free bar fractals. And let's see how if I can pass a challenge with that strategy. So the plan with the strategy is we have different sessions, and the plan is just for every session is against the next session. And let's say if we have Tokyo here, we're waiting for liquidity get swept off a Tokyo session, and then we want that we get the other side from the session and hunt this liquidity. This goes like ping pong, up and down, up and down, up and down. And if we finished in the London session, the next plan is that in the New York session we play the same game again. So we're waiting for London session lows get hunt, and then we target the next end of the session. But we do this full mechanically with only 2R setup. And yeah, let's go. So let's do this like this, so I can't cheat. I don't see anything. I do the sessions off and fractals off. And yeah, let's go just random, a bit of time back. So not too far. So Monday looks good. Okay. Let's make Sunday. Okay. So we are now here at Friday. Let's wait for a new week. We make on our sessions, our fractals. So okay, Tokyo session starts. Yeah, I forgot this. Okay, these are my settings. You can mark here your time zone. For London session, I have this settings. New York session, I don't have this line because I know after London there is only New York session. And for Tokyo, I have this sessions, and Sydney, I don't have it on. And I have the sandwich style. You can make boxes or whatever you want. So the plan is after Tokyo gets swept, we looking for an entry and then targeting the next side. So we only take 2R or 2.5R. Let's say I make this now until I pass a challenge, a FTMO challenge for 10%. So let's take 2.5. Okay, let's wait. Okay, now we are in the London session. We're waiting for one side get swept. And then I show you how I enter trades. Okay, now we get swept, and now we're waiting that a new fractal is formed. And if we have the new fractal, we're waiting for a body candle is engulfing this fractal, and then we take an entry. But you will see now what I'm doing. So there's no fractal. So now we're waiting for this low. So there's a new low, new fractal. Now we take this. Now we take this. Okay, now let's see if the body engulfs this fractal, and then we know we can enter. And yes, so this is our entry right here. Buy limit here, stops a bit below like this, and we looking for 2.5. So we need 4 trades for passing a FDMO challenge. Okay, we are here in yeah, big drawdown, but that's okay. That's strategy is trust the strategy, and let's see if we got stopped out. No problem. We go for the next session. Okay. Now, so now we have 2.5 R, and this was in London session. Now we're waiting for this high or this low get swept in the New York session, and then we do this again. And if the trade not reaches our final TP until in my country it's 11 p.m. Before the spread's gone wild, we close the trade 5 or 10 minutes before. So now this is our next entry right here. We're waiting for this. Okay, it goes more down. Now we're waiting for this here. Now we wait for this. It's, you see, this is how this is important. So if the fractal not get engulfed by a body, we don't take entries. It's very important. This is no clear change for us. Okay, now we wait for this here. Now we wait for this. Okay, this is our entry. Entering here. 15.2, we go like this. And we go for 2.5. And we don't do break even or 1 hour, we just set and forget. And let's see how it plays out. Okay, now it's really late, so let's say we go out here 10 minutes before the spread's going wild. I would say we go, I don't think there will happen anything here. So let's say we go out here. This is a bit in profit, but let's say it's just a break even. Okay. This trade worked not. So this is a break even trade. And now we wait for just for the next day. So now Tokyo session comes, and after that, we're waiting for one side gets swept, and we do the same thing again, like here. Now you see, this is enough. This is for say, okay, that counts. This is a swap from the session. So our new fractal is here. And now the new one is right here. And this is our entry right here. Bit breathing room. And we go for 2.5 again. So let's see if we get triggered in again. So okay, I would say this counts because we have 5 minute time. This get broken, and yeah. Let's go to the next trade. Okay, now we're waiting for this get broken, and you see the body closes here. So our entry is right here. This time I go more like this. Let's see if we really get tagged in. 2.5. We swap this highs again. So our plan is to sell now full mechanically. Yeah, we really got tagged in here. It reached it again. It don't go over this high, but always take a little bit of breathing room. And then you see this. It's pushed really hard down. And now we wait for the next session. So now we have one trade win, one break even, one trade win, another trade win. We are now up 7.5. So we only need one trade. And let's see if we can get this in London session. So of course you will not win 100%. You can have a losing streak like 2 or 3 in a row, but you see if you targeting 2.5R, you you're you will be profitable in with this strategy, and you can easily pass a challenge with this. You can pass if we have a challenge with only 8%, so or phase 2 only 4%. These are only 2 trades, and you're good. This is a really bread and butter strategy. If you want trading like this full mechanically, is no problem. There are many famous YouTuber that or trader that trade like this for weeks and months now. So this is a little bit of a variation because I like the fractals, and I don't do the 1 minute. This is a 5 minute. And their strategy is from ICT. It's called Judas Swing, but this is a little bit of variation. I like that more. I think he does this in a 1 minute. So okay, you see this? This is swept. So this is our low. Okay, we break. Nah. Now this is our low. We didn't break with the body. Now we break with the body. Or no. So this is our This is our low. Still the low because it got not broken with the body. Okay, I think no. Okay, okay. Now we have broken it. So this is the right entry. So put our order right here. Also, we cover this high and we need a 2.5 for passing a FTMO phase 1 challenge. These are 10 pip stop loss, 25 pip for profit. This is also not unrealistic. This is a small scalp trade, 25 pip, 10 pip stop loss. I also take this stop loss size on many other trades or other entry trades or strategies, and let's see how it plays out. And we will hit the target. Okay, maybe we missed it, but you know what the point is. These are 10%. Maybe I missed this, or maybe let's say I missed two trades. We are only up not 10%, but 5%. But I think you will get the strategy. Now, to be fair, maybe we missed this, maybe we missed this. Okay. And if you have any questions, just write a comment. And yeah, see you on the next video.